Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's my day of the day look, final look of 2020. This is my inspiration. One of my coworkers sent me this look and asked me if I can recreate it, but you know me, I had to put my little twist on it and make it my own. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And as always, thank you so much for all the love and support. And if you want to do a makeup collaboration with me, leave it in the comments. And I really hope you guys enjoy this look. This is my first time ever doing anything like this. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So first things first, I wanted to do two different color brows because I was actually going to do that on Wednesday, but I didn't go to work. So this shade is Outrage and it's the LA Girl Neon Super Shock Liner. And this black glitter liner, I don't remember what the brand name is, but I got it online. Then I want to take this Celestial Thunder. I'm going to take the DC Cosmetics for my black brow. Actually, I think I got this liner from the Beauty Supply, if I'm not mistaken. I really don't remember. Or it could be Jordana. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to fill in my brow with the DC Cosmetics color. Then I'm going to my Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette, and I'm going to use this orangey color for my orange brow. My pencil isn't exactly orange, but it was the closest one that I can get to orange. And then I'm going to set that with the brow gel. NYX Control Freak. Right, I'm going to prime my lids with my NYX Proof and Waterproof Primer. Going into my Morphe 39S palette, such a gem. I'm going to take those two shades of purple. And I'm going to blend that all over my lid using this fluffy brush. I think this brush is by Luxie, if I'm not mistaken. I got it in my BoxyCharm box. And I'm just... Normally you see I use tape. But for today, since it's my day of the day look and it's going to be kind of messy anyway, I'm not going to use any tape. But then, when I thought about it later, I probably could have used tape to have even sides, but whatever. I'm just really blending it. I like this Morphe palette because these shades really does last all day without creasing at all. Then I'm going to go into that same palette and take that black shade and blend a little bit of that into my crease. This shade right here. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. black cream base eyeliner and I'm going to line across my lid. No wing liner today. Then I'm also going to, I use my LA Girl Very black eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm going to take that same cream eyeliner to go along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that same black shadow to smoke out my lower lash line so it could be really smoky and really dramatic and dark under there. Actually, I'm going to take the black with the purple. My bad, I forgot. Okay, now for the fun part, I have my CC Beauty Professional Black Body and Face Paint with my paintbrush there. And I have my mask on because I didn't want to do this part too low and end up putting my mask on and just have this smudged everywhere. So I'm going to take my NYX Keep It Matte Black eyeliner, and I realized that one side is very high and the other side is low, but again, this is my first time doing this and I didn't want to risk trying to wipe it off and start over and really make a mess. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. going to take that same shadows that I used on my lid today, and I'm going to fill those spaces in using a pencil type brush. I'm just going over my lines to make sure that they're visible. Okay, now for the hard part, I'm going to draw a spider, and I'm using my Maybelline metallic ink eyeliner in Cosmic Purple. I'm just taking my Starlit Studio Beauty Silver Glitter just for some definition and some sparkle and to make it my own. And I'm using that because I don't have any rhinestones either. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I wiped my lipstick off. I had my mask on when I went to work, but then I decided I was going to draw in the rest of the features when I got home, so I'm going to show you how I did that as well. Not gonna, yeah, you'll see. Okay, so I'm taking my e.l.f. Punk Purple and I'm going to use that to draw the nose part. I'm not really going to talk through this. I mean, I'm using that same CC Beauty body face paint, and then I'm also going to use that same NYX liquid liner that I used this morning and that same glitter, and then I'm going to go into that eyeshadow to kind of smudge it out. Alright guys, this is a finished look for real. Hope you guys enjoy this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. My next look will be a tie-dye video. Love you guys. Bye. Happy Halloween. Be safe out there and stay away from that Corona candy.